Alright guys, welcome back to Anna's channel. We're gonna be doing our fall makeup look. Okay, so first we have this the paste that you put on your skin. Okay, you see that it's obviously, make sure it's obviously your skin tone, of course. Okay, spread that nice and even. Makes it look like you have an even skin tone. Yep, we're just gonna spread that everywhere, even our neck, even behind our ear. We're gonna put it on our forehead, of course, because it has to be even too. Now we're gonna take this, whatever this powder, spread it, put it all in the same spot where we just put the stuff that we put for our skin. Now we're gonna put, now it looks like mascara, but it's actually for your eyebrows. Okay, now we're gonna take a color and we're gonna put it also on your eyebrows. Okay, our eyebrows are getting a lot of attention. Okay, and then we're just gonna fill in our eyebrows, you know, just so it looks like they're there. Now we're gonna take some Smashbox and we're gonna take that color and we're gonna put it on our eye. And this eyeshadow, we're gonna spread the eyeshadow and we're gonna make it even, and it's a fall color. Notice that it's a fall color. So I'm giving you pumpkin spice with a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg because it's fall. And next we're gonna take oh, this time it actually is mascara because we're putting it on our eyelashes and not our eyebrows. So last time I tricked you guys, but this time I'm being for real. It's going on our eyelashes. Okay, this time we're gonna take something that's okay. We're gonna put it on our skin and we're gonna rub it in. We're gonna contour. We're gonna contour and put powder on our cheeks. This really makes your cheeks just pop and it brings out the holiday season. Next, we are going to take, it looks like some more powder, because powder is great. We're gonna put, but this powder we're gonna put on our nose. And then we're gonna put some more on our cheeks again, because the last one, that wasn't enough. So we're gonna put some more. We're gonna mess with our eyebrows again. Because you know, eyebrows are never right, so we gotta keep messing with our eyebrows. This is just my alternative for waxing because that doesn't feel good, so I'm just gonna put some paint on my eyebrows. Now we're gonna take some lipstick. We're gonna put that on our lips, of course, not our eyebrows. We're gonna spread it. And that's your fall look. Hope you guys like.